Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for cloning BSI. As you can see, guys, I've got two BSI here. Those BSI is for Ford KA or Fiat 500. As you can see, guys, I got new BSI here, and this is the old one. This is this original BSI. It comes exactly like that. Someone disassembled the BSI, but anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to try to get all the information from this and write it back to the new one. And once everything is successful, so the car is going to plug and play, so you don't need to do any what you call programming, coding, nothing. So by the time being, I'm gonna leave the second-hand ECU just right here, and I'm gonna use again OBDSTAR. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to do all the wiring pin out, and then once I do the pin out, I'll be back. Alright, so I've done all the actual can low, can high, and it's got minus and plus. So let's go back to the actual OBDSTAR. So I'm just gonna point my camera right here. So let's go back to the menu. So this is the actual BSI. So we're gonna say start. So we're using P004, so I'm just gonna put the ignition on. So now we're gonna say okay. Now it's connecting to the server. Or we're gonna say connect. Now it's connecting, as you can see, guys. Perfect. So we're gonna read the EEPROM. We're just gonna save that one as ORG. Just say okay. Okay. Now we're gonna read the flash. Or we save this one as ORG. So we just save that one as well. Okay, now we're going to disconnect. Yes. Or so what we do, we're going to, as you can see, guys, is already disconnect, and then we're going to switch off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try to take all the wiring out and then reconnect to the actual what you call new or second-hand BSI, and then we're gonna try to write everything back to the what you call the second-hand BSI. So that's the original BSI. So now we got the second-hand BSI connect to the actual OBDSTAR. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch on the ignition. So we're gonna say connect. Now we're gonna go straight to right. So we're gonna load from here. Okay. So this is the second one, is the actual EEPROM. As you can see, guys, this is the one. So we're gonna say this. Okay, we just say yes. Now it's writing the EEPROM, write EEPROM successful. So now we're gonna write the flash. Just go here again. So the flash, that was the EEPROM. Yeah, this is a flash. Yeah, that one here is a flash. We just say that one. We just say okay. We just say yes. Now he's erasing the actual flash, and then he's gonna write the original flash back to the donor BSI. Alright, so everything is done. So what we're going to do, we're going to say disconnect. We just say okay. Now it's disconnect. We're going to just switch off the ignition and take off all the wiring. And that's it, guys. That's how you clone the BSI on Fiat or Ford, and obviously you don't need to do any coding, programming, nothing, just plug and play. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.